My name is James Earnshaw for Lee Stafford, and this is the super sleek top knot. So I'm just going to start by applying mousse onto Olivia's hairline, just to control any flyaways and create a super sleek base to work from. And then whatever residue I have left will just disperse onto the ends. So I'm just taking a rough circular section and then brushing all the hair back into my hand. So I'm just using the hair up styling brush, just taking my time to really sleek up that hair so there's no bumps or lumps and it's super nice and sleek. So just continuing to brush all of the hair upwards until I'm happy with how smooth it's looking. So a little tip when working in the back of the head is to tie the ponytail with the head backwards. So then when you tie it nice and tight, you get it really clean in the nape. If you tie a ponytail with the head forward, it will be really loose at the nape. So I'm just securing the ponytail off, using a piece of elastic and wrapping it around. This will create a really tight ponytail base. And then once tied off, you can bring the head forward. So now what I'm going to do is take 5 strands of hair and create a 5-strand braid. If you can't do a 5-strand braid, then just do a regular 3-strand braid. Going to spray the braid with hairspray just to create a firmer hold. So once the braid's complete and secured, I'm then going to slightly pull it out to expand the shape. And then I'm going to visually wrap the braid around until I've got the required shape. And then once it's pinned in, I can just visually pull it around and just create a little bit of texture.